Oh fuck, more numbers. How do I handle this? That's a completely different question, right? So it's wrong. Wildfire update, shut up. I literally like...
Oh my gosh. It's daytime. Good morning, broken glass on my floor. I have school today. I'm not very excited. But at least I'm not dead yet. Accepting the fact that I was about to spend the next year of my life doing this was hard, but I got to class just in time, then I fell 100 feet into a cave and got handed a packet full of cicadas for sustenance and a colored pencil attached to the end of a fishing pole so I could write, and spent the next 15 minutes of my life figuring out this problem. Except I didn't, because I ran out of time. Why? Because of this thing. Now, we all know what an absolute value is. It's the distance from zero. But if we want to avoid getting in this situation, we're going to need a formulaic way to solve problems involving them. This is the piecewise definition of the absolute value. Take a good look at it because I told you to. This definition is much more useful because it converts that blanket statement from earlier into just two linear functions. And if you plug it into the distance formula, then yep, that looks like the distance from zero. This is the only reliable way to compute absolute value shit, since you can correct for extraneous solutions without resubstitution, which sucks and I hate doing it. This gets more complicated when more absolute value terms are added in. It's not so bad, however, because even though the amount of cases grows exponentially, most of them have empty domains. We can visualize the valid ones with these number lines. If we merge them all into one, we can split it into segments corresponding to each case. As we can also see, each new absolute value term adds another segment. These cover every single real number, so there's no way we left anything out. I will blow up your fucking house with a rocket launcher if you bring up the complex plane. And oh, what's that? Are you fucking kidding me? I was looking forward to finishing my noodles, but I guess we're gonna have to wait.
What is up, guys? I should be going to bed right now. Instead, we're gonna do this to prove I know what the fuck I'm talking about. Now, there's two absolute values here, and when I started this channel, I would have probably like screamed in fear. I was doing like integration by parts, and I was scared of like two absolute values. What was I doing? Anyways, we gotta get on with it. So right, what we're gonna do, is split this into cases. Like kind of like this, right? We have two number lines, and we're gonna combine them into one. 0 can be here. I don't know what the fuck this is doing here. I just sort of made that. Yeah, this is 5. Anything over here, this guy is less than 0. This is gonna be 8. Anywhere over here is gonna be... And now on the other side, we're gonna do this in a different color, like so. You have 8 minus x greater than or equal to 0, includes this bit. Not here, this part would be an open circle. And then the same thing over here. The same thing over here. X minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. So now, what do we have here? Well, there's 3 different sectors here, and in each of them, our equation will be different. Now, in this guy over here, we're gonna... The blobs. We're bringing out the blobs. Okay, this is less than 0, so it's negative. We're gonna have 10 minus 2x plus... Now this is greater than 8 minus x is greater than 0, so this is just regular, it's normal, plus 8 minus x equals 4. And this one, x minus 5 is greater than 0, so this guy is going to be normal, this guy, and this guy is also going to be normal because it's greater than 0. Now, any number of these solutions might be fake. They might not even fucking exist. I don't know, bro. I didn't check beforehand. And even if I did, there's no way you can prove it. Let me get this last bit. This guy is less than 0. Mark this in a different color. This guy is greater than 0. As you can see, this goes negative, so it's x minus 8. Right. So we got that. Wait, is that like bigger? I don't fucking care. We got minus 2x plus 10, and these all equal to 4, because that's the number over here, as I've outlined in very bright red. We're gonna mark this off with a different shade of red too. Okay, so now it's time to like combine all these like terms, because that's how you solve the algebra. We got this, and then we subtract all this. This goes -4. This is -14. And then we got this guy in the middle right here. -3. I did something wrong. What did I do? This should be +2x. You lied to me. Past videos Gunner lied to me. I trusted him. Alright, now this is wrong, I guess. We're just gonna cross that out. We have x equals... Oh fuck, more numbers. How do I handle this? Alright, and now for the last one. We have this guy. We're gonna do 3x equals 4 minus 10, -6, plus 8. It's 2. That's a fake ass number. Oh, wait. I know what's going on here. This is supposed to be negative. This is supposed to be negative. So you add it anyways. So you have 3x. Oh god, what is this number? It's so big. 3x is just fucking... Bro, I don't... What do you expect me to do here? Literally, what do you expect me to do here? I don't have anything. Okay, we got x equals... Wildfire update, shut up. I literally, don't care, bro. I have to finish this. Bro, I don't know what this number is. 22? I'm pretty sure that's 22. X is 6. Okay, and then we have this number, which is a number. I'm not simplifying it because that would literally take you an infinite amount of time. And same with this guy. Okay, now it's time to check which one of these are fake ass answers, because I know at least one of them is gonna be if they're all valid, I'm gonna have to restart this entire segment. That'd be horrible, right? Okay, so positive 14 thirds is less than 15 thirds, which is equal to 5. That means it's in this area, which is the case that we're checking. So it's correct. This one's correct. Right, this one. 6 greater than 5, which is the lower portion of this interval, and it's less than 8, which is the upper part. So it's inside the interval. This one's also correct. And now finally over here, we have this guy, 22 thirds, and that is smaller than 8, which is the lower bound. This guy goes in here, not here, but that's a completely different question, right? So it's wrong. It's wrong. The only two solutions are these guys over here. There we go.
I feel like this puts into perspective how devastated I felt after that quiz I referenced at the beginning. Generally, I consider myself to be good at math, and specifically I pride myself at the speed that I learn the methods for solving unfamiliar problems with. How I still consider the cascading division video to be my greatest work, even if it has aged terribly. This is a huge and unfortunately innate problem with being a YouTube video essay guy. I have to, at all times, convince you guys that I'm smarter than you, because otherwise, there would be no reason for anyone to listen to what I have to say. Keep in mind, though, that this confidence and speed and wit, it's all a facade. In reality, I'm a disorganized, exhausted, and bitter person whose short followings even seep into what I consider my greatest strengths. And by bitter person, I mean bitter person. That quiz basically ruined the rest of my day, even though it really shouldn't have. The only things worse were the hundreds of suspicious photos with his former female students on the wall behind my English teacher's desk.